Hello everyone, it's a first day of 2024. Yesterday was a big celebration and today is starting again new year. Let's make check up around house what's happening. Here's my olive tree. This was one of the safest olives what I bring from here, maybe 25 kilometers from the village Plano. One man was building a house and on his land was 6 trees of olives and he was take them out from the ground and put them out, and he asked on the Facebook if someone want to come and take them. When I will see that he give them for free, I was really surprised because usually people sold olive trees. Unfortunately today is much more better. I mean, it's better for make money and everything, build buildings and sold apartment or make house for rent of making olive oil. But how I live in the house here in the village, I decide this is a good opportunity for me, and this was an empty place here where I was put one of that 6 olives I put here. Like you can see, he was cut all this part of her, because otherwise that he didn't cut and took her out, she will probably not succeed to be transported to here and replace it. She need energy for sustain her everything inside, and you cannot put her in the land with all this I don't know say in English, this part he had to cut. But you can see now, after this was the beginning of the summer 2023, when I was put her here, she already released young one, but you can see that something go wrong here, that something attack her and eating her leaves, probably some bugs or something, I don't know what is this. It's really something weird. Anyway, she will survive, I hope so, and make beautiful shade here at the front of the house, because in the summertime here it's really hot. And here's a big jasmine near her. I'm planning to him also somehow make construction from the metal and on this garage and put him over there. He go grow over there and make shade. Here's my little pineapple also. I bought her before a couple of days ago. I'm gonna plant her somewhere, I don't know, still I didn't decide. Today is the first day, then it's rainy day, but it's still hot. In Dalmatia is always not, we don't have so strong winter anymore. Before we was have some strong winter. Here's a mint, she will recuperate till the summer. Over there some flower. This one don't go really good. I'm gonna replace him somewhere in land. This also go okay. Wind destroy everything of this. I'm gonna repair this before summer. This is for me most beautiful part of here, everything. It's a nice area with pool. Here's also two jasmine. They are so beautiful in the June. They release white flowers and this all become white. With these green leaves, it's really amazing. Over there I have my olive tree in that barrel, so I'm gonna also, I think, replace them in the land this year. And that's over there, I don't know which plant is that, but she released some red flower. In the summer, this part of the house we are renting, and then if someone interesting for coming Dalmatia and little bit see rural area, also near the sea. It's just 2 minutes from the sea. This village is perfect. Here's rosemary, here's the pinal. She's old, around, it will be now 4 years old. This is the yucca, lavanda, rosemary over there. Here's more rosemary. It's really nice in the spring, but even today, when it's a warm day, it come here lots of bees and pick it up, juice from the flower. You can feel the smell of this all, so nice. Here's also over there is calendula. Calendula is here, see, this is calendula. She's so nice and smelly. Yeah. And now we are going up in upper part of land. In the summertime it's really, oh look this beautiful flower here. They are so nice. It's a really dry area. In the summer we don't have so much rain, then it's not easy for sustain these plants here. Most of them, they only who can really survive here, that's the plants who have lots of oil inside of them. There's the pinals, there's the rosmarines, calendula, lavanda, and this type of plants like succulents, yucca, and other type of cactus, like you can see there. Of course, olives with lots of olive oil inside, and trees are really strong. They can survive all this. Like you can see, it's land, if we can call this land, if you have a little bit of land, but most of it's rocks. Everywhere is rock environment with who make our life how it is today, and who create Dalmatian people how we really are in a whole sense. A little bit rigid, a little bit not flexible, a little bit strong with attitude. That's all environment and a life to the history where people was war this land and try to survive in this area. Because today is easier for say when you go in supermarket, but just before 60 years ago people was have to plant everything without water system, without electricity. They was have to keep them big families, not hungry, and make family to grow and everything in this Dalmatian village like this. And all that create humans how we are today. I mean, we are not like some savages, but I mean savages, good savages. We are not so, let's say, people are not so open-minded. People are more close. They don't accept really easy difference. Little bit they are not easy for conversation, and they are more like, let's say, hard. All that from this to the history until today make life like that. Because all this environment make your also culture, make your style of life, make your even body shape, everything, environment have impact on that. Believe it or not, today is not so like big like that impact, because you can find commodity everywhere on the planet. Even in the desert you can feel all comfort of the life. But just before 50 years ago it was a really different. And they was use these lands for make agriculture, for make olive oil. For over there in the middle of the village was it's still big field where it was clean, also caves. Before 2 years ago, and find lake under the 65 meter of the under the surface. We find lake in the middle of the village. That's I'm gonna show you with my finger. So over there, this field, see, between this house on the other side and this one here, it's field. People was plant so much things here, and there was live from that. All this here, over there are olives. That's all olives over there. This is all olives here. In that area also is lots of olives production. It's a beautiful village. Unfortunately also has some problems, maybe big problem in the village, but it is how it is. In this part here, what I'm making this olive garden. I'm replacing this wood, cleaning this land. I'm gonna make some nice walls, a little bit repair area, clean them like this here, olives clean this area like this, and I'm gonna plant rosemary or calendula here. It's gonna be really interesting. If I have a chance in this year, this is my house here, this here, and here my cousin, they have small house also. They want to sell that house, but unfortunately now I'm not in opportunity for buy that. If I have a chance, maybe in this year I'm gonna buy that small house, and I'm gonna clean the land also, and plant some olive trees. And I'm gonna repair a little bit that old house and the area around, and I'm gonna rent her also if I have a chance, or not. I'm gonna live over there. I need to also repair roof. I have to make roof for my house here. It will be nice that I make all this year, maybe after summer, but who knows how life will go and how everything will be. But anyway, I will try to enjoy this my garden here and explore this area and enjoy it every day. Because for this I don't need money. I don't need money for this. I can enjoy here all day. I have lots of jobs to do. Clean this tree over there, this. Anyway, people, I wish you all the best in this year. Stay healthy and in peace. Always stay in peace. Always is most important, peace in our life. Because without peace we don't have health. Everything what is cause you stress and the things what destroying your peace, they are not worth. I mean, they are worth, but if on the long stage they destroy you. Always try to accept every situation how it is and release also how it is. That's the most important. Everything what come in your life, accept and release. It's not easy, but it is how it is. Have a blessed life, enjoy your life, enjoy in the new year. Stay with your family, stay with your people who you like, stay in the beautiful mountains, stay near the beautiful rivers, stay on the beautiful beach. Spend a lot of time in nature, and that is that. See you in the next video.